There were marathon hearings today on Capitol Hill over massive proposed cuts to Medicaid.
The Republican-led funding bill would cut hundreds of billions of dollars in health care for low-income and disabled Americans. The cuts sparking infighting among Republicans. ABC's Perry Russom has more.
One's going to get 100% of what we want.
House Speaker Mike Johnson today working to solve Republican in-party fighting.
I think we'll get everybody to yes.
As their proposed cuts to Medicaid divide the party. Late Sunday, Johnson unveiling their plan to cut hundreds of billions of dollars to Medicaid, fueling concerns it would leave millions of low-income and disabled Americans without care.
I continue to maintain my position. We should not be cutting Medicaid benefits.
Republican Senator Josh Hawley yesterday with an op-ed in the New York Times writing, if Congress cuts funding for Medicaid benefits, Missouri workers and their children will lose their health care and hospitals will close. It's that simple, and that pattern will replicate in states across the country.
We are struggling with rural health care coverage. And, Republicans, we need to be making that better, not worse.
Protesters today blocking the doors to one of the hearings on Capitol Hill where members of Congress dissect the proposed cuts, a critical piece of the big, beautiful bill President Trump has been asking for to fund his agenda.
With the one big, beautiful bill, we can ignite the second Trump economic boom and improve the lives of millions of our neighbors back home.
If the cuts are approved, it would go against what Trump said back in February.
Can you guarantee that Medicare, Medicaid, Social Security will not be touched?
Yeah, I mean, I have said it so many times, you shouldn't be asking me that question, okay? This will not be read my lips. It won't be read my lips anymore. We're not going to touch it.
Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer says the cuts would slash Medicaid more than ever before.
It's cruel. It's heartbreaking. Senate Democrats will continue to expose this devastating plan and fight for American families.
The process to approve a funding bill is still in the early stages. It has to be approved in the House, then the Senate before being signed by President Trump. Perry Russom, ABC News, Washington.